It's down in yonder valleys I will meet her by and by. It's down in yonder valleys, she is my heart's delight. It's with you, lovely Molly, I will stay till the broad daylight. Going to church on Sunday, my love, she passed me by, and I knew her mind was altered by the roving of her eye. I knew her mind was altered by a lad of high degree. Oh, Molly, lovely Molly, your looks have wounded me. I then took out a bottle and I held it in my hand, saying, here's a glass, dear Molly, for our courtship is at an end. So is your glass, dear Molly, drink the bottle dry for me, for there are 10 guineas wagered that married will never be. Oh, never court a wee girl in the dark and the roving night. Just kiss her and embrace her, never tell her the reason why. Just kiss her and embrace her till you cause her heart to yield. For a faint-hearted soldier never gained a battlefield. Oh,